If you want readings that actually happen, Lenormand might be what you've been missing. Lenormand is quite simple, and that's why it's so accurate. In my Lenormand Foundations course, I teach practical reading, the type where you pull the cards, you get clear answers, and then you watch it unfold in your everyday life. So there's this part that happens in Lenormand where you realize these cards are not symbolic, they are literal. And that is when the magic starts. If Lenormand has been calling you, this is a beautiful place to begin. And I do have an early bird option available right now. All the details are on my website.